everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Holy month of Ramzan has come to an end and Muslim community is all geared up to celebrate Eid ul Fitr. The religious festival is celebrated on the first day of month of Shawwal, on which people do not observe fast on this day. News Movement team extend its best wishes on this very special day. It requests to all to maintain physical distance, wear masks, use sanitizers. The rampage of second wave of coronavirus continue in the India, with over 4,000 people losing their lives for a second straight day, while the number of new infection dwindled slightly with 362 lakh cases reported by the officer's data. As the situation shows some improvement in urban area, the rural population is suffering silently. While the lockdown have helped the state to bring down the COVID number, the center is trying to the network the national vaccine plan. Now, there are reports coming in that the government has been recommended to increase the time gap between two doses of COVID. Though a study has also said that delaying the second dose will help in releasing the chance of death of India, the delay being seen as the government attempt to cover the maximum population while struggling with the vaccine shortage. While Indian cities are showing lower COVID number with Delhi and Mumbai improving, the situation crisis is worsening in India countryside. Be it Maharashtra or Uttar Pradesh, Bihar or Madhya Pradesh, more from one third to two third of total cases are being reported from the villages. Novel coronavirus COVID-19 prevention is better than cure. Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy. Wash your hand regularly, use sanitizer, avoid contact with others. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wear mask. Avoid social gathering. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1-800-258-7060. Doctor resigned and withdraw it. 14 government doctor in Uttar Pradesh, just 40 kilometers from capital Lucknow, who are in charge of rural hospital in the district, have resigned from their posts, saying they are being made the scapegoat for the rise in COVID infection in the district. The doctor are in charge of community health center and primary health center in both these places are rural hospitals that provide frontline health care to villages. 11 of the 14 doctor who signed on a joint resignation letter visited the office and UNNAO's chief medical officer on Wednesday evening and handed over the letter to his duty. The doctor said that despite working hard in the pandemic, punitive action and mad behavior is being meted out to the doctor without any basis. UNNAO District Magistrate issued a fresh statement this afternoon saying things have been sorted out and that the doctor have taken back their resignation. We had spoken to them last evening itself and they had taken back their decision in the night itself. They met with me today. I listened to their problem and gave them solution and have assured them their concern will attended to. We spoke in cordial manner. This was an internal matter, District Magistrate Ravindra Kumar said in a statement. It is to be noted that UNNAO currently has 1,980 active COVID cases and reported 84 fresh cases and 0 new deaths on Wednesday evening. The same day, multiple bodies were found burned in sand at two locations by the Ganga in the district. Mobile phone visible from both locations showed many burned bodies with locals looking on. Most of bodies were wrapped in saffron cloth. Uttar Pradesh, the country's most population state, recorded 18,023 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, according to data from the Union Health Ministry. 326 COVID patients died in the same period. It is worth in the list of the worst hit state in India. Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. Kantodia Vikas Prasad, according to him, a class of people still do not understand the soaps of groaning messes amidst the second wave of COVID. People who invite trouble by forgetting the corona protocol of 2 yards distance mask are going to be found here and there. Something similar was seen in front of UCO Bank at Santodia. Mayor Abhijit Ghatak, Member of Administrator Board of Asansol Municipal Corporation; Tabassum Ara, Member of Administrator Board of Asansol Municipal Corporation; Sheikh Sandar, former Borough Committee Chairman, and several others. First, let us hear Abhijit Ghatak, a member of Administrator Board of Asansol Municipal Corporation.
सभी को ईद का मुबारकबाद देते हैं। ईद खुशी का ईद है और एक महीना का रमज़ान के बाद सभी कोई ईद के दिन खुशी मनाते हैं। तो हम लोग यही चाहेंगे कि सभी कोई मिलके, चाहे वो मुस्लिम हो, चाहे वो हिंदू हो, चाहे सिख हो, ईसाई हो, सभी मिलके हम लोग ये खुशी का मौके पर सभी का साथ देते हुए ईद को और अच्छा से बनाएं और खुशी से बनाएं। लेकिन हम लोग को ये भी सोचना है कि अभी कोविड का जो महामारी चल रहा है, इससे हम लोगों को बचना है। तो ज़्यादा लोगों को एक जगह में जमायत नहीं होना चाहिए। अपने अपने घर पे आप लोग मना सकते हैं, कम आदमी के साथ मना सकते हैं, लेकिन कोविड प्रोटोकॉल को मानते हुए सरकार के जितने भी हमारे बंगाल का, पश्चिम बंगाल के सरकार का जो नियम है उनको मान के सभी को हम लोग ईद मनाएंगे और खुशी से ये दिन गुजारेंगे।
Now let us know the views of Mrs. Tabassum Ara.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तमाम बिरादरीन इस्लाम को ईद बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। 30 रोज़े रख के हम लोगों को ईद तोहफे में मिली है। आप सबों को मेरी तरफ से ईद बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। कोरोना कोविड-19 की लड़ाई में हम सब जिस तरह से लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं, आगे भी इसी तरह से हमें लड़ना है। हम तमाम लोगों से एक बात की गुजारिश करेंगे, अपील करेंगे कि नमाज पढ़ने जाने से पहले आप घर से वजू करके जाएं। जानेमाज अपना लेकर जाए, सैनिटाइजर करके जाए, नमाज पढ़ के आने तक फिर घर पे आप सैनिटाइजर करें, भीड़ भाड़ से बचे, लोगों से दूरी बनाए रखे, मास्क पहन कर बाहर निकले, गवर्नमेंट का जो गाइडलाइन है उसको फॉलो करें। आप लोगों से मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट गुजारिश है कि भीड़ भाड़ से बचे और सोशल डिस्टेंस बनाए रखें। एक बार फिर से मेरी तरफ से आप सबों को ईद बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। खुदा हाफिज़।
SK Sandar, former Borough Committee Chairman of Jamuria and TMC leader, extend heartfelt greetings on the eve of Eid, advising people to follow COVID guidelines and to maintain peace and communal harmony. Death of corona infected ECL officer, the sudden demise of Vidyut Banerjee, senior manager of Kutirdi Colliery in Pandeshwar area of ECL, has caused a wave of mourning among the people of area. It is reported that he was infected with corona, while a wave of mourning spread among his colleagues on his demise. People of various labor organizations and political parties also expressed deep grief over his demise. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. And rest is after this break. Purulia Vikas Prasad, according to him, the voluntary organization HNG and the Kisan Bhagyamani project have come forward with a deficient called Clary in Purulia Kam Jungle Mahal to fight against the epidemic coronavirus. Rakesh Kumar Singh, head of Kisan Bhagyamani project, has already taken the initiative to provide free sanitizer to people in remote rural areas of Jungle Mahal, including Purulia. In the case of corona, in this program, he has landed himself.
सबसे पहले अपने आप को एक प्रोडक्ट लाया है आप लोगों के लिए। क्लार इसका नाम है। क्लार का जो मेन काम है क्या है कि बहुत लोगों को श्वास कष्ट हो रहा है, वो भी हॉस्पिटल चले जा रहे हैं। बहुत लोगों को यहाँ क्या हो रहा है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा भी निमोनिया का शिकायत हो रहा है, वो चले जा रहे हैं, जबकि वो असली कारण उसका जल है। जल को शुद्धिकरण करना जंगल महल में बहुत जरूरी है। इसके कारण बहुत सारी बीमारियां हो रही हैं, जिसके कारण भी लोग हॉस्पिटल में चले जा रहे हैं। इसमें एक लेजियोनेला बैक्टीरिया को मारने की क्षमता है, जिसके कारण आप देख रहे होंगे कि पुणे में, महाराष्ट्र में, दिल्ली में बहुत सारे पेशेंट एडमिट हुए थे। वो लेजियोनेला बैक्टीरिया के कारण उनको प्रॉब्लम हुआ था। क्लार क्या करता है, पूरा का पूरा क्लार बैक्टीरिया को खत्म करता है पानी में। इसको सबसे पहले जो घर है उसके टंकी के ऊपर डालते हैं और साथ में पूरे पाइपलाइन को भी क्लीन करके चला आता है। इससे क्या होता है, जो बच्चे हैं, जो माँ है, जो जंगल महल में बहन है, जो हमारे गार्जियन है, उनको इसके उपाय करने के बाद जो पानी आता है क्लार से, उसको आपको कभी भी बैक्टीरिया नहीं होगा। छोटा मोटा जो शिकायत आपको निमोनिया, ब्रोंकोनिमोनिया, इवन आपको डायरिया का जो कंप्लेन है वो नहीं होगा। ये क्लार जो है, क्लार को हम लोग पूरे जंगल महल में, अभी हम लोगों ने सैनिटाइजर मशीन मंगाया है। क्लार को लेकर के हम लोग प्रयास करेंगे कि हर एक पंचायत में हमारा स्टाफ क्लार को लेकर के जाए और इसका पूरा सैनिटाइजेशन करे। ये हमारे किसान भाग्यमनी प्रकल्प HNG स्टेप IIT खड़गपुर जिले की तरफ से, हम लोगों की तरफ से किया जाएगा। हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे यहाँ के शासन से, प्रशासन से, जिला जो परिषद के जो चेयरमैन हैं उनसे, इवन हम लोग अपने शासन से, जो सत्ताधारी जो लोग हैं, सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि हम लोगों को मौका दिया जाए। जंगल महल में जो रूप अभी कोरोना ने लिया है वो बहुत ही भयानक है। हर एक गांव में बहुत सारे लोग का तबीयत खराब है, बहुत सारे गरीब लोग, बहुत सारे लोग अपने आप का उपाय नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। हम लोगों का दिल से इच्छा है कि हम लोग क्लार को लेकर के पूरा फॉगिंग करें। हर एक पंचायत ऑफिस में जहां पर भी भीड़ होता है, जहां पर वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर है, क्लार को लेकर के वहां वैक्सीनेशन करें। हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे पूरे जंगल महल वासियों को कि क्लार को यूज करें और अपने घर से कोरोना को भगाने का काम करें। साथ ही आपको बता दें कि किसान भाग्यमनी प्रकल्प HNG स्टेप IIT खड़गपुर जिले ने अभी करीब करीब बीते 6 दिन में, जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है, हम लोगों ने करीब करीब 600 लीटर हम लोगों ने सैनिटाइजर बांटा है। हमारे लालपुर ऑफिस में किसी
Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285 and rest is after this break. Sri Vidhan Upadhyay, who is going to be MLA for the third time in Panchgachia, Rajiv Chowk, was facilitated on behalf of Progressive Bauri Samaj of Barabani block today.
उठिए रखो खुल ना। हाँ चेक सरी दो, चेक सरी दो, साइड
Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285 and rest is after this break. Tension have spread in Subhas Pali adjacent to MAMC Township under Durgapur New Township Police Station on Thursday afternoon after the incident of Diri's remarriage and shooting by her brother. A 48-year-old woman named Baby Upadhyay was rushed to Durgapur Sub-Divisional Hospital in critical condition, where her condition deteriorates to a private hospital in Durgapur. Accused brother Arju Upadhyay escaped. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285 and rest is after this break. In the wake of COVID pandemic, a joint venture between the West Bardhaman District Administration and the controller raided various drug stores on Thursday to keep the supply of medicine as well as oxygen in check. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285 and rest is after this break. Safe homes will be set up at 2 schools in Asansol to cater to the growing number of corona infection. 2 new safes are being considered in Asansol in wake of state's growing corona infection. DM Vivu Goyal of West Bardhaman had a meeting with Malay Ghatak, Minister for Law and PWD of State. The safe home will be set up at St. Joseph High School and AG Church School in Asansol. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285 and rest is after this break. The district of country which are in worse condition than corona, PM Narendra Modi will talk to DM of those districts directly to know the situation there. The PM will talk to Mrs. of various states on May 18 and 20 through virtual medium. Talk to DM of 54 districts in 10 states on May 20. The PM will speak to the DMs of 9 districts of West Bengal on May 20. On other hand, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is furious about the PM talking directly to the DM. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285 and rest is after this break. According to Lali Gupta reporting, on the instruction of Home Minister Department of the central government, 4 CISF Jawan have been deployed for the security of Kulti BJP MLA Dr. Ajay Poddar. A private security guard will also be present in his 4 Jawans in view of political violence after the assembly election. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285 and rest is after this break. Keeping in view the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, Asansol Mandal under the active leadership of Mr. Sumit Sarkar, Divisional Railway Manager Asansol, overcome the current crisis as well as to increase the revenue of Mandal. Many worthwhile steps have been taken. The stores department of Asansol divisions has succeeded in earning rupees 81.45 lakh by selling 2,34,478 MT of scrap material through e-audience auctions held on 11 May 2021. This is an exemplary example of Mandal. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285 and rest is after this break. 30th Oxygen Express train on Eastern Railway from Durgapur to Chennai Asansol to meet the challenge of current crisis of second wave of COVID-19. The railway is continuously engaged in movement of oxygen express and transport of liquid textures oxygen in different concern of country. Indian Railway is active around a clock for uninterrupted transport of medical oxygen. Asansol Corporation Helpline for Oxygen Supply 7479001875. Durgapur East MLA Pradeep Majumdar held a meeting with all the councillor of Durgapur Municipality, Mayor, Council Member, Corporational Commissioner, Health Department and respective representative of various hospitals. In this meeting, important decision and discussion were taken against the black market of middlemen regarding cremation and ambulance rent. He said the Transport Secretary has been personally informed to stop the black market of ambulance. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. And rest is after this break. Pain gives a lesson and every lesson changes a person. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.